Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I'm Dr. Gena Henderson and it is Python Wednesday, yes. And you know we always begin Python Wednesday by telling you which oil we're diffusing. And this morning we are diffusing cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark has a kind of typhoidal, viral and infectious diseases constituents of the oil. It helps with virus, bacteria, and fungus. And I've been told that there is no kind of virus, bacteria, or fungus that can stay in its presence. So that's one of the that can survive in its presence. So that's one of the reasons why cinnamon bark is one of the oils that is used in Young Living's Thieves. You know, Thieves is a cleanser, and it does a lot of intestinal things for infectious things that actually occur within your body. So this morning we are diffusing cinnamon bark, okay? So it is Python Wednesday, and we always begin Python Wednesday by letting you know. I want to give you a summary of what's actually been going on in Python Wednesday. We have actually been doing Python Wednesday for a year, a little bit over a year now. And so I know we have some more viewers, so I wanted to bring everything back to the basics so those viewers can actually understand what is the significance of Python Wednesday. Well, Python Wednesday, Python is an acronym here. Although we have used, I have introduced you to the computer by ways of cryptography, which had a lot of mathematics in it. And then we stem from cryptography to wanting to use a programming language to program cryptography, different events. And so we went to Python to do that. And here in Python, before we actually went into Python, I taught you everything, the basic concepts of a computer. And then I taught you the programming language Python. But after I taught you the programming language, I thought to myself, you know, we really need to do something useful. We need to create some type of game. You all need to be able to use this in any way you can. And then that's when I thought about, okay, let me introduce the Unity gaming engine to them. Because with the Unity gaming engine, you can produce a lot of games. And that's what we have been doing with this breakout game that we created. Okay, so Python, like I said, is an acronym, and what it stands for is Programming Youth to the Heart of NASA. Programming Youth to the Heart of NASA. Okay, so that's the significance of Python Wednesday. Okay, so every Wednesday, instead of walking into the office, what I would do was come to a computer and actually show you a particular lesson. Okay, so we'll start the lesson afresh next week. But in the meantime, I will gather all the lessons that are in cryptography and supply a link, okay, with this message. You'll see a link. I'll have a link for Python, and I'll have a link for all of the Unity things that we've done so far. So therefore, if you want to go back and catch up, you can, okay? So I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. If there's any infomercials that you missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. It is Python Wednesday, yes.